Whether you're planning to freeze your cabbage or use it right away, blanching is a great way to gently soften cabbage leaves while preserving their color and flavor. Start by bringing a pot of water and 1 tablespoon, 17 grams of salt to a boil. Rinse the cabbage in cool water and peel some of the leaves off or cut the entire head of cabbage into chunks or wedges. Add the leaves or wedges to the boiling water and leave them there for 2 to 3 minutes. Use tongs to remove the cabbage from the boiling water and transfer it to a bowl filled with ice water. Then let it chill for 2 minutes. Stir the cabbage gently in the ice bath to help it chill more quickly and evenly. Use the blanched cabbage immediately or put it in a sealed freezer-safe container and freeze it for later use.